Okay, so good evening, everyone. This is a demo presentation or a demo recording, and I'm going to be sharing my screen. I'm using the OBS recording software to capture for a video capture and for a screen recording of this presentation today. So I'll just be having an overview for the installation of Python software on your computer's device. So, introduction, either from I'm an instructor in Ada Global Academy, and we're going to having a course, or yeah, I'm going to be guiding you through. I think I'm going to say we're going to be starting a course on Python for data science, and this is the introduction to the course, and I'm going to be giving an overview into Python language for specifically for data science. So this is my screen. I'm going to share. It's about 19 pages or 19 slides. We're going to discuss about the background of Python language. We are also going to talk about what Python is about as a language. We're going to look at some of the applications of Python language. We are going to look at the benefits of Python language compared to other languages and why it's going to be beneficial as a learner or as a starting developer and data scientist to use Python language. The leverage you're going to have that Python provides. Then we're now going to have a hands-on experience into the installation of Python language. We're also going to look at Jupyter Notebook. That is an IDE of in your data science development journey or your data science um, in your data science. Yeah, as you go along your data science related projects, you will get familiar with what an IDE is and specifically why we are using Jupyter Notebook. So I'm going to go to talk about the background of Python, talk about what Python is about, another slide for Python about C applications of Python, benefits of Python, how to install Python. So how to install Python, you just go to a web browser. Let's say I go to Chrome and I just type in Python download. Oh no, I should just type in Python. So Python has a website. The first link that comes up is Python's official website, python.org. So click on it or click on this downloads link, and this downloads link will take you directly to the page, to download page. Or if you click on the first link, you can just select, um, click on this download button. So this is going to show you the latest version of Python. Now we are in 3.12.0 version. Then download for if you're using a Windows operating system, if you're using a Mac OS, if you're using a Linux or Ubuntu software, um, you're going to see the operating system that is going to be required for download. So clicking on download is going to download, and once you are done, we can now walk through the installation process conveniently. So this is about 3 minutes. Okay, let me wait till 5 minutes. So after we handle installation of Python software rather, we're going to after we handle the downloading of the Python software, we're going to install it. And when you're installing, don't forget to click on this checkbox, add to path. Basically, what that allows you to do is it prevents or it allows you to run the Python or use the Python language in any part of your computer device. So, not clicking this is going to restrict you to using Python language where it was downloaded. It's just like thinking of when you download a file or when you download a video from the internet. The ability for you to move the files, Control C, Control P, or Control X, Control P. Let's say you're changing the file location. Yeah, so this is similar to that. So instead of we can't physically touch or access the Python software that has been downloaded, but adding to path gives us the ability to use it in different locations simultaneously and conveniently. So this is an installation explanation of what we just did. Moving on, we are going to look at Jupyter Notebook and why it is an incredibly powerful tool for interactively developing and presenting data science projects. Yes. So an IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment, and look at it as a place where you write your code, or you place where you write your Python code. So we have notebooks and notepads where we write our English language or Spanish language or whatever language we are writing in. So computer also have their own notebooks, their own books, right, or their own e-notes. And an IDE is an example of an e-note for a programming language. So installing Jupyter Notebook is simple, or it's simple to install Jupyter Notebook once you've installed Python. So you have a package installer called pip. So pip install Jupyter. This line of code installs Jupyter from your command line, and once you install it, you can access Jupyter Notebook by just typing Jupyter-notebook. So you see an interface of Jupyter Notebook, and here's an explanation of the installation process that we just did. So I'm looking for OBS, so I think it's about 5 minutes. Oh, it's about 6 minutes. So thank you for listening. Thank you. Yeah, thank you for tuning in today. This is an introduction to, although I think the introduction is going to have, it's not going to have this installation this installation process. It's going to be like the second topic. So the first is going to be introduction. Well, we'll figure out how we arrange them based on their category. But thank you for tuning in, and see you in the next section. That's when we're going to look at Python basics and yeah, Python basics. Thank you and have a wonderful day.